guys, so this big tube is actually a air filter replacement that you're supposed to change it once in a while, and this works with Shark air purifier. I really love this purifier because, as you can see, this material is really sturdy and kind of like compact. You can see all the cracks here. They're gonna contain all the dirty stuff, and on here you have this very interesting material all around this tube, and just give you a feeling that they can really contain all the dust. Here's my dog. All the dust and dirty stuff. So you're supposed to change air filter once in a while. I think that's something we tend to forget, because once you get air purifier, you think it's done, but it's not. You have to continue change the inside filter, and this filter is something I really trust. This is my second one. I just feel a difference when I put the new filter in versus still using the old filter. So this video is your reminder that go get a new filter for your air purifier. You will feel a difference. The air will be much better.